uling Black Friday sales, minta kami tagara ko para sa limbayong rag. Para kitang dining ang po kitang malating salas.
Just looking for the design first and then we'll let you know.
Right there.
This one.
250.
250 by 3.
So 250, they range from about 5 centimeters each side. But these big ones are on the big rack right there.
Okay. Thank you.
If you do need a hand, just let me know.
Good. Ayan, yan. Buri ko na yung kulay. Oo. Tangkitang salas yung kabit mo itong kusina mo. Ipalit mo lang. Para na kasi design. Ito kulog pa rin. Pero manipis lang. Ano pa rin? Makapalya.
Magkano?
1,000. Santin. Dati na yan.
Pina-price nito.
Wow. Excuse me.
Pinta-sikat mo na yun ulit tayo na. Try that one?
Yes, she likes that one.
Did you want me to drop it and get it on the floor for you? Yeah,
What's that?
It's a part of the rug.
Oh, is it?
Yes. Oh. That mark right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's part of the rug.
Oh.
Back. This is going to probably flick backwards on me.
Yep. Matras ka, matras.
I'll get Bryson to help me with that. This is a good chance. If you want to kick your shoes off and go for a walk on it, feel free to.
Pwede meron ka. How much for delivery? How much for the delivery included? Yes, please. How many liters? Yeah. Okay, thank you.
80? Yeah.
Okay, that's great.
Do you want to get the Dante?
Yes, together. Yeah. So,
You want both of them?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect, not a problem. Both of them. Did you want that one dropped before you buy it? Just have a feel or a look or anything? No,
that's okay.
it's funnily enough, you've chosen the 2 brand new rugs that we've had into the shop.
Really?
Yeah, they're both the brand new ones.